Hey there folks, are you ready to take your restaurant to the next level? Well, get excited because today's video is sponsored by TouchSuite, the ultimate merchant and payment processing and POS systems provider. So, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to unveil 7 powerful strategies to beat the competition in the restaurant industry. But wait, that's not all. Stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive bonus tip that will take your restaurant's success to new heights. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below on which strategy you find the most useful. 1. Understanding your competition. To beat the competition, you need to know your competition. Dive into their ambience, food quality, and service standards. Monitor their marketing efforts, and use that knowledge to refine your strategies. This understanding will be the foundation for setting your restaurant apart. 2. Prioritizing food quality. Quality is king. Continuously strive to deliver delicious, visually appealing dishes that exceed customer expectations. Whether it's redesigning the menu, offering discounts, or investing in the right POS system, the bottom line is the quality of your food. 3. Pricing strategy. Crafting the right pricing strategy is a game changer. A well-designed menu can increase profits significantly. Be aware of competitors' prices, but your menu should reflect your unique value proposition. 4. Highlighting your unique selling proposition. Capitalize on your unique selling proposition. Whether it's a signature dish, exceptional service, or an innovative concept, use it to attract and retain customers. 5. Delivering exceptional service. Outstanding service is non-negotiable. Train your staff rigorously to uphold impeccable standards of politeness and efficiency. Positive word of mouth starts with memorable dining experiences. 6. Strategic marketing. Effective marketing is the heartbeat of your restaurant. Utilize diverse channels like email, SMS, and social media to engage with your audience regularly. Provide valuable content and promotions to nurture customer relationships and drive repeat business. 7. Leveraging technology. Embrace technology to streamline operations and enhance customer satisfaction. Offer free Wi-Fi, mobile-friendly websites, and digital ordering options. Implementing a robust POS system like TouchSuite can optimize profitability with efficient inventory management and personalized customer interactions. Now, if you're finding these strategies helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for all your payment solutions, check out TouchSuite, trusted by 50,000 companies worldwide for over 20 years. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Subscribe, check out TouchSuite, and remember, your restaurant's success is just a strategy away. Goodbye for now.